In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add internal page links in Canva. If you've ever wanted to make a multi-page design feel interactive, like turning a slide into a clickable menu, building a simple navigation in an ebook, or guiding viewers through a portfolio, internal page links are exactly what you need. They let you create a clickable element that jumps to another page within the same document, keeping your audience focused and making your design easier to explore. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're inside your design, choose the text or element you want to make clickable. This could be a button, a heading, an icon, or any graphic you're using as a navigation cue. Click to select that element, then right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, click Link. You'll see a link field appear. Normally, this field is where you might paste a website address, but for internal navigation, you won't enter a URL. Instead, look for the category labeled Pages in this document. Canva shows you a list of your pages here, usually with page numbers and thumbnails, so you can quickly identify where you want your link to go. Simply select the page you want this element to jump to. After you make your selection, Canva attaches that destination to the element, and your internal link is set. That's all it takes. You've created a smooth, internal jump from one part of your design to another. This is especially helpful for designs with a table of contents, nonlinear presentations, or optional sections you want viewers to explore at their own pace. Clear, descriptive text on your buttons or labels helps people understand exactly where the link will take them, and a generous clickable area makes it easier for viewers to tap or click confidently. A few quick pointers can help you keep everything tidy and intuitive. If your pages are organized and clearly identifiable, it's faster to pick the right destination from the list. Consistent placement of navigation elements across pages, like keeping your menu in the same spot, makes your design feel more professional and predictable. And remember, the link is tied to the element you selected, so duplicating that element will carry the link with it, keeping your workflow efficient as you build out your design. To recap in one smooth motion, open your project, select your text or element, right-click and choose Link, switch to Pages in this document, pick the page you want, and your internal link is ready. It's a small step that makes a big difference in how people experience your work.